Welcome to the FourNines. It's your boy Rorschach, and another bit of mischief or tomfoolery as the Niners once again screwed by the NFL. No, I'm kidding, but there was a fire alarm that was pulled at 6 a.m. In Vegas on Thursday. Yeah, at the team's hotel. Obviously, breaking up their sleep. I think it's kind of interesting. You would think something like this would happen to a Chiefs. It being Raiders' home. It seems, I don't know. Maybe I'm just looking too much into it, but why would it happen against the Niners as opposed to the Chiefs, a division rival? Otherwise, boom, boom, inside job. Hmm? That's what some of the players are thinking. It had to be them, Kittle said when asked about it later in the day. You don't want to wake up the sleeping bear, but Christian was not happy either. So, inside job, man. Bosso doubled down and said, I'm sure somebody did it. Yeah. So, definitely, definitely a conspiracy. Uh, they're against us. Super Bowl Sunday incoming. Okay, bye.
Hey, look, you just finished that episode of the FourNines. Here's a video to the left of my icon for such and such video, or you could check out this one on the right for such and such video. Wow, crazy. Or you can go ahead and subscribe if you want to.